That's good, isn't it? It's got a very cool front.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're looking at the Mothercare Police and Fire Rescue Centre today. We've got it's all completely made out of wood. It comes complete with furniture, police motorbike, sorry, a fire engine, gyms, kitchens, helicopter landing pad with a helicopter. It's a full play centre, and it's hours and hours of fun. Wow, Isaac, what's this then? Is this your fire station?
Yep.
Wow. Does that come through the door? The helicopter landing pad. It's a police station and a fire station all in one. You're going to show me where the dogs are?
There.
There's the rescue dogs.
And I want to be able to rescue a baby.
Oh, right. These ladders go up here. So people can walk up and down the ladders.
Dogs. Wee, wee, wee. Oh, there's a dog.
It's a good office, that, isn't it? And there's the gym, and then that looks like a kitchen. There's another kitchen, goes into one room. What do you do in there?
Make some dinner.
Make some dinner. And that's where the dog sleeps, in the garage. Should we park the police motorbike and the fire engine in there?
No.
No?
There were dogs live.
That's where the dogs sleep.
Yeah, there were family. They told her I can't go there.
Can't go in there.
There's finally door and a least mobile door.
Right, can you open the door for me? Can you not open that door?
Yeah. It's usually there.
Oh wow. And can he drive in?
No, Michael shut the door for he can't go. That was not an emergency.
It's not an emergency yet.
Here's this mobile.
And there's the bathroom with a bath. The changing room. Sleeping room with some extra police cars in. And another bedroom. And a tennis court on the top. With a helicopter landing pad. Right, there's the police car. There's the police bike. I'm going to take that back. And there's the fire engine. And the helicopter. It's going to come and drive home. Going to drive in. And the fire station. It's going to go in through the police cars.
And the helicopter got take off. And the helicopter will take off.
Helicopter's going to take off?
Yeah.
Go on then.
No.
Oh, the dog driving it.
Yeah.
Should we turn it around and have a look at the other side? Wow, that's cool, that, isn't it? Where are all the doors? Can you show me where the doors are? Door there.
Yeah.
Police door.
Yeah.
And the fire engine door.